Hello everyone, in this exercise of SolidWorks we will understand about the curve through reference points in SolidWorks. Let's start. File, new, part. Part is the default template, okay? Oh, this one. And this is the SolidWorks user interface. This is the command manager, this is the menu bar, this is the tab section, this is the view head-up tool, this is the feature tree manager, and this is the task pane. First, I am selecting the background plane white and unit system is the millimeter gram second. Okay. Now, first I am creating a sketch. Top plane sketch. Okay. I am taking this one. I am creating octagon. This one, octagon. Okay. This octagon. Select this line horizontal, okay, and dimension I am taking this dimension, this flat face, across flat faces I am taking 100 mm this dimension. Okay, this sketch is fully defined. Now in the sketch I am marking this point. I am taking this point. I am marking this point mid of every side. This is the octagon, having the 8 sides. I am keeping the points on the midpoint of the each side. This one, yellow. When you see yellow, it is the midpoint. This one, yellow point, midpoint. This one is the midpoint, and this is the midpoint. Okay, click and out of this sketch. This one. Now I am creating a plane. I am creating a plane above this one, above this sketch, and I will copy same sketch. How I will create? Through the derived sketch. I will create same sketch on another plane with the help of a derived sketch. Okay, first I will create a plane. Future reference plane, this one. Select top plane, this top plane, and I am taking a distance of 30 mm. At a distance of 30 mm from top plane, I am creating a one reference plane here. This is the plane 1 number. Okay. Now I will make same sketch, this previous sketch, on this plane with the help of a derived sketch. How I will do? First, you select the plane, press Ctrl key, and this sketch. Select sketch and plane both, and select the Ctrl key and hold it, and then go into the insert. Here will you find the derived sketch. This one you will see when I click, this same sketch is copied. Same sketch is copied on this plane, but this sketch is not fully defined. So in order to make a fully defined this sketch, what I will do, select this point, shift and corresponding point, this one, make coincidence relation. Okay, and again this center point, click, shift, and this center point of previous sketch, this one, and make coincidence. Sketch is fully defined. Okay, out of this sketch and select this and hide plane. Now we have the 2 sketches. Now we will use the curve through reference point. This command you will find in this curve section, curve through reference points. Okay, and you can also go in the insert and curve, and this curve through reference point. Both here you can also go select curve through reference point. Now this window comes here. Select this corner point here. Just select the point only. Click in this one and select this point, corner point and midpoint. This one, midpoint. This one, midpoint. This one. Select corner point. This one. Now midpoint and this one. Again midpoint, corner point, bottom one, midpoint this one, and midpoint, this point, corner point, midpoint, and this point. Okay, and now this midpoint. But these points, this point, in order to close this point, just in the left hand side window, you can check this close curve in the left hand side. Click here and this point and hit the right button. Last point is that this one is the close curve. You will see the curve is formed here. So hide first sketch, hide the first sketch, and the derived sketch also hide this one. Now this is the required curve. So in this way you can make the curve through reference points. This can use in different ways in this command. Now I will sweep this one. I will use swept boss base. How? Swept boss base, circular profile, and this one dia, you take the 4 mm. Dia you can take the 4 mm. Select this curve. This one. This one. This way. In this way you can. This is the curve. This command is very useful. You can make this type of items through curve through reference point. And you, in the feature tree manager, click this scroll button, and in front of this sweep this appearance section. In this, click here appearance and select the color here. This one, and this one. You can and close it. Now you, in order to visualize clearly this you curve the left hand side feature tree manager, select it and hide it. So now our model is clearly visible. Okay, in this way you can make this one. Sweep option, merge tangent faces. If you use this one, merge tangent faces, this one. In this way you can apply this one. You can make this thing. I hope you would have enjoyed in this exercise. You please like, share, and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.